Punta na kami sa kanila.
Complete happy birthday!
Hello, Alea! Hi everyone! So today, I'm gonna make Ate April's birthday cake. Pa-commission ni Kuya Alvin. And we're gonna make Black Forest cake. So, come on guys, let's begin. So before starting anything else, we need to preheat the oven or your air fryer or whatever to the desired heat, which is, in this case, 175 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. So first up, we need to weigh the dry ingredients. It says 1 teaspoon, but I'm not gonna put the whole 1 teaspoon. I know, wala akong extra bowl, okay? So, gawin ko na lang muna siya sa pot. You can use any oil you want, canola oil, coconut oil, any oil for baking, you can use it. Mix muna natin siya kasi baka hindi siya ma-mix later. Forgot buttermilk for liquid ingredients, but I don't have buttermilk at the moment, so I'm gonna use double cream. I don't know what the difference is gonna make, but I'm still gonna use it. Oh no, it's kind of thick. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put 60 ml of this, 60 grams. And 60 ml of whole milk. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. i-divide natin siya sa 4 silicone trays. I know it's silicone, but just to make sure, papahiran ko siya ng oil para makasigurado tayong ma-remove natin yung yung chocolate bread after ng baking period na. If you're like me, na walang brush or silicone brush, I use just paper towel and put oil and just scrub it all over.
Ginagawa mo?
Kita pala ako. So, now it is time to put everything all together. I have already whipped the cream, and what I did for this one is I mixed the whipping cream and extra thick double fresh cream. And then of course, to taste, I put icing sugar and vanilla extract. And then for this one, I have this syrup with this jam. This jam is made by my tita Andet. She gave me this, and it's homemade plum marmalade or homemade plum jam. And then for toppings as well, I use this one, pitted black cherries in light syrup. Yung syrup nito is this one plus this one. They are pitted cherries, whole cherries, and then i-chinap ko lang siyang ganun. So let's start! Para maging moist yung cake. Although I think this is moist enough naman na. tempered chocolate. We have the final product. Yan na. Nadali na ni Kuya.
Ganda naman eh. Parang totoo eh.
Walang lalagyan ng cake eh.
Okay yan. Kailangan din na konting hangin ito.
Punta na kami sa kanila.
Complete happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, baby. Blow, 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 blow. Blow.
Lo, Alaya! Lo, Alaya! Ala, ang bata na mo, ang bata. Wala nang candle. Oops. Uh-oh. Ay, later. Wait lang.